In today's video, I'm just going to be sharing with you how I set up for Mother's Day. I decided to go with a bohemian theme for the party, and this is what I decided to use. This is the door that used to be in my closet, and I took it out a while ago, and it's just been sitting in the garage, and now I finally have the chance to use it, and it's the perfect size for a picnic, and I didn't have to spend money and buy plywood at Home Depot. For the legs of the table, I bought 4 of these crates from Michael's. I used this tablecloth that I already had at home. I got this table runner from TJ Maxx. The placemats are from Amazon. These plates are also from Amazon. I found these cute plates from TJ Maxx, and I really like the colors of them, and I think they go well together. I found these napkins at World Market, and I just tied a bow of string around them. Another purchase from TJ Maxx. These are from Marshall's. These are from Joann's, and they're makeup brush holders, and I really like the colors, and I thought that they would go well as party decorations. I got this flower from Michael's, and it just goes right in here. Got these pampas from Amazon, and I just put them in these drinking glasses. I used this for my birthday party, and I thought that would go well for this Mother's Day party. What I did is I hot glued this candlestick holder to the vase, and I just put a silver ribbon around it. Now I'm just going to add these candles to make it more fancy. I found these plastic cups at a thrift store, and I think it was a really great find because it's only $1.50 and they're all brand new. I got these pillowcases from Amazon, and I think they go really well with the bohemian theme, and I really like the little tassels on them. I think they're really cute. These 2 pillows came in a set from Marshall's. I found these from TJ Maxx, and they also came in a set. These are some decorative pillows that I had on my bed, and they go really well with the theme. So I have these butterfly decorations. Here's some decorative fake plants. These are a dozen garlands right here, and you can decorate it with your room or hang it up anywhere you like. Here's another decorative fake plant that's a garland, and it can be used to go in the middle of the table. So this is what it looks like, and you can use it on your table, or you can just hang it up somewhere and decorate it any way you'd like. I'm not using it this time, but this is how long it is. This is the King Bond electric balloon pump. This is what it comes with. what the final setup looks like with everything on the table.
You gonna eat it? Eat it.
This is it, guys. I hope that you found this video helpful as you plan for your next party. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. And it would really help me out if you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!